I'm Robbie Catherine. Today I have prepared a session plan and I would like to show you people on how to use it while training learners. Why do we need a session plan anyway? I'm going to give you reasons why preparing a session plan before starting training is important. 1. It provides a clear guidance for your session. 2. It will help you organize your session. It will also give you a foresight. In this case, it will enable you organize the possible questions or arguments that may arise from the learners. It helps keep you in the right direction where you don't go out of topic. It will also help you manage your time efficiently. Now, I have a sample of a session plan on my screen and I will want to take you through and see how you can prepare one. So on the session plan here, you can see we have the title of the session plan. What am I preparing? The session plan. So my title must be clearly shown here. Then, as you can see, I have the date that I will be attending the classes of that session, and also the time that I will take in that class. You will have the trainer name, in my case, Robbie Catherine, as the trainer, then the institution name, the level of the class that you're going to teach. Then from there, you can see also the unit of competence. In my case, I have structured programming. Then the session title, what are you going to teach at that moment? So in my case, I have Introduction to Structured Programming. So after that, you can also have the learning outcome here. So in my case, by the end of this topic, the trainee should be able to explain the meaning of structured programming, identify different types of structured programming languages, explain the historical development of programming languages, describe programming paradigms, explain computer hardware and software consideration. Then after that, you should be able to also give the resources. Where do you get whatever you're going to teach? So like for instance, in my case, I will use the relevant books and the free ebooks from the internet. I will also use sample codes from the internet. I will also use the programming languages that are already developed online, and also I will use the whiteboard. The learning aids that I will use in my class, in my case, I will also use the charts and videos. Now, whatever I have done up there is displayed down here, scheduling the time that I will take in each and every schedule that I have given. So like for example, in the introduction, I will take 5 minutes here, 5 minutes. Then what will I be doing in that 5 minutes? I will be taking the roll call. Depending on the number of students, you can put your time. I will also state the session title and expected learning outcomes. So in that case, down here now under the session presentation, where now I'm actively teaching in class. In the first activity that I will do, I will post questions on terms related to structured programming, and this one will take 5 minutes. So what will the learner do? The learners will give response to questions posed by the trainer. Who is the trainer? I, Robbie Catherine here. I will be training. So in that case, the assessment will be oral, questioning, and written. Then in the next step, I have also scheduled another 5 minutes. What will we be doing in that time? we will be identifying different types of structured programming languages. So in this case, learner activity will be, they will be listening and take notes on the explained concepts. Then the assessment will remain the same. We will be using the oral, questioning, and written. Then in the next step, I will use 20 minutes to explain the historical development of programming languages. So in this case, also the students will be listening and taking notes on the explained concepts. Then I will also have 10 minutes to do what? To describe programming paradigms. So in that case, also the learners will be listening and taking notes on the described concepts. Then lastly, I will also take another 10 minutes to explain the computer hardware and software considerations. So also here the learners will be listening and taking notes on the explained concepts. So the assessment will be oral, questioning, and written. So if you can see, I have broke down my time. That is, I had scheduled to use 1 hour in this session. So I have the session review. So I will give the students time to ask questions and also give their views about the sessions. So here is another 5 minutes that I will give room for the students to do that. Then lastly, I will assign the student with assignment. So you will realize at the end of the day, I have used 1 hour in that session to accomplish my class. So in that case, under the session reflection, you will realize the learning outcomes are achieved. So thank you for listening to me. Remember to subscribe, share, and like my videos as always. Thank you very much.